Hey guys, today I will show you how to cut off tails in Monster Hunter World. First thing you need to know is that tails can only be cut with severing damage. That means weapons like Great Sword, Long Sword, or Charge Blade. Blunt weapons like Hammer and Hunting Horn cannot cut tails no matter how much damage they do. Next, you must focus all your severing damage on the tail. The tail has its own health pool. If you keep hitting the body, the tail will never come off. Positioning matters, so stay behind the monster and wait for openings after attacks or knockdowns. A very important detail is that only severing damage can deal the final hit. If you're in a group hunt, your teammates can help weaken the tail with any damage type, but the last hit must be severing or the tail will stay on. Useful tip: if you're struggling in hitting the tail, try using traps and knockdowns from mounts to make tail cuts much easier. Use shock traps, pitfall traps, mounts, or paralysis to lock the monster in place, then focus the tail with heavy attacks. And that's how you cut off tails in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.